Hi there and welcome to Maths with Miss Bradbury. Happy Friday, and today we are looking at number bonds to 10. This week we're looking at number bonds to 10, but today we are looking at the part-whole method or technique that we can use to work out what two numbers make the whole number, basically. So let's begin. We're going to be doing some singing as well. We're going to be singing a lovely song in maths, 10 Green Bottles. Okay, so can you remember the song? Let's go. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. And if 0 green bottles should accidentally fall, there'll be how many? So we've got 10 and 0 or none are going to fall. We'll have 10 green bottles standing on the wall. So we've got our number sentence. We had 10 green bottles on the wall plus 0 fell, which means we have still got 10 left in our picture. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. So this is showing us the part-whole picture. So our whole, our total, is at the top here. A big number that we're making is 10. And here in this little circle we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 bottles there. And here we have got 0 bottles because 10 plus 0 makes 10. Here's our number sentence. 10 plus 0 makes 10 altogether. Okay, get ready for those singing voices again. Let's go. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall, and if 1 green bottle should accidentally fall. So we've got 10, and then 1 green bottle accidentally fell on the floor. How many are left on the wall? Yes, there'll be 9 green bottles standing on the wall. Now, let's have a look at our number sentence for this. So we've got 9 bottles on the wall plus 1 on the floor, which equals 10 altogether. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we've got 9 on the wall, 1 on the floor, but altogether we still have 10 bottles in our picture. And here's our part-whole method. So we're making 10. This whole activity is going to be about making 10 in the different ways. So here we have got 9 bottles, okay, and 9 and what make 10? 9 and 1 make 10. And here is our number sentence just to show us 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Let's go. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. And if 2 green bottles should accidentally fall, how many left are on the wall? We had 10. 2 have fallen down. Yes, that's right. There'll be 8 green bottles standing on the wall. So how many are standing on the wall? 8. And how many are on the floor? Yep, 2. And 8 plus 2 makes how many altogether? Yes, that's right. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Let's have a look at the part whole. So here is 10. We're making 10. And we've got, can you remember how many were on the wall? Yes, that's 8. And 8 plus or add 2 makes 10 altogether. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, let's go. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall, and if 3 green bottles should accidentally fall. So we've got 10 green bottles, 3 have fallen down. How many are left on the wall? There'll be 7 green bottles standing on the wall, because 7 plus 3 makes 10. 7 plus 3 makes 10. Here's our pot hole. So we've got 10 at the top. We have got 7 here. And we have got 3 here. Because 7 plus 3 equals 10. 7 add 3 makes 10 altogether. Let's sing again. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. And if 4 green bottles should accidentally fall, there'll be 6 green bottles standing on the wall. So we've got 6 green bottles on the wall plus the 4 green bottles on the floor equals 10 green bottles altogether. 10 altogether, made up of 6 and 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 6 add 4 equals 10. Let's sing. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. And if 5 green bottles should accidentally fall, there'll be 5 green bottles standing on the wall. So we've got 5 on the wall and 5 on the floor. 5 plus 5, altogether it makes 10 bottles. So we've got our 10 at the top, we've got 5 in this circle and 5 in this circle, because 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 add 5 makes 10 altogether. Let's sing. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. And if 6 green bottles should accidentally fall, there'll be 4 green bottles standing on the wall. So we've got 4 green bottles on the wall plus the 6 green bottles on the floor makes 10 green bottles altogether. Here's our 10 at the top, and we've got 4 in this circle and 6 in this circle, and 4 plus 6 equals 10. 4 add 6 makes 10 altogether. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. And if 7 green bottles should accidentally fall, there'll be 3 green bottles standing on the wall. So we've got 3 on the wall plus the 7 on the floor, but altogether it makes 10. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. We've got our 10 here. We've got 3 plus, can you remember? 3 plus what makes 10? Yes, that's right. 3 plus 7 equals 10. So 3 and 7 makes 10 altogether. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. And if 8 green bottles should accidentally fall, there'll be 2 green bottles standing on the wall. So we've got the 2 plus 8 equals 10. 2 standing on the wall plus the 8 bottles on the floor makes 10 bottles altogether. We've got our 10 at the top. We've got 2 in here. 2 plus what makes 10? Can you remember? 2 plus 8. That's right. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 2 add 8 makes 10 altogether. 10 green bottles standing on the wall, 10 green bottles standing on the wall, and if 9 green bottles should accidentally fall, there'll be 1 green bottle standing on the wall. So we've got 1 green bottle on the wall, and we've got 9 green bottles on the floor, which makes 10 altogether. So to make 10, you've got 1 and, can you remember what goes in here? That's right, 9, because 1 plus 9 equals 10. 1 add 9 makes 10 altogether. Last one then. 10 green bottles standing on the wall, 10 green bottles standing on the wall, and if 10 green bottles should accidentally fall, there'll be 0 green bottles standing on the wall. So we've got 0 on the wall plus 10 green bottles on the floor, which makes 10 altogether. Here we've got 10 at the top, that's the number we are making. So we've got 0 green bottles here. So how many green bottles are here? Yes, that's right. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 0 plus 10 equals 10 or makes 10 altogether. So well done for doing our activity today. You could have a little go if you wanted to at working out what these number bonds are. So something plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals something. 0 plus something equals 10. And 6 plus 4 equals something. If you want to have a go at doing these sums after this activity, you could do that. That would be brilliant. Take a photo, get mum or dad or one of you grown-ups to email it to your teacher. We would love to see your work and your number sums. Have a great weekend and we'll talk to you next week. Bye.